something. Obatobie will the commanders all to communicate with.
Okay.
All the no anya. I'm the engineer house. That engineer house I Obatobie that engineer house. Obatobie don't let anybody to near them, to talk to them. They want to communicate with these people direct. This is Butuzor. That is a Gwegu. That is Nonya. That is a Batu. So now you just bomb bone. The actually water. This is Babutu about those now number one. The general or general. Nobody knows his number. Nobody know him. Nobody speak with him except Obatobie.
Did you hear that? Then she later made her way to speak, to communicate. So what happened?
And since he had this man, because he knows everything. He knows everything. And this idiot to know where I'm capable to reach these people. Now, you go to the public. Now when they tell it is in the mud. Now when they say now Balanagaya, now when I say I have body who can. Oh no, no, even a man who will understand what is going on here. Because I will tell you people truth. This is our Minister of Defense Minister. Even the other idiot, success, don't have right, or your number. He don't know them. He don't work with them. He don't take care of this group and now the engine. Now, that go get great on engine that deceive why. Everyone will hear deceive on the outside because if you don't know, you don't know. Like it. That's why when I start yelling, people don't know why I yell. Please, that man have to disease. Our Prime Minister have warned him to disease from communicating with people back home. He has been a disaster from day one. Everything through him has been a failure. He almost broke our Prime Minister. How? But look at this idiot. I will stop here because we are job. All I teach we are going to continue with this. Because all if I can say, this particular place now, that's they are from here. They are going to go for this blockers. How many hours this man on 9 good hours, 10 hours in fact. 10 hours gone on an A. 10 hours gone on an A. Go where you get a glad mind of people. And even watching and I give Van.
So that is it. That is why it's better for you. Very, very funny human being. Always want to have answer to every question. The lie can never help anybody, and that's all the fact. So my boy, I'm going to take 3 calls, 3 only, because I have something to attend to. Please, anybody that if you want have something to say, first 3 callers, we are okay. Okay, first 3 callers, and if I wait and did not receive any call from anybody, then that will be okay as well, because like I said, I don't have enough time to spend this evening. Okay, just few 3 callers. Okay, we are good to go. Let's see. See the same number. See the same number. First three call. I will call it a day. Please, if you want to say anything about it, this is the time. I was trying to spend more. Hello.
Yeah, hello, Mazi.